You're going to do some weeks 4 sessions on your legs, the other weeks 3. So we're going to do 7 sessions over 2 weeks. There are going to be days where you are tired and beat up. And those are going to be the days that challenge you, because you're then going to see your friends go and have an arm day. Arm days are fun. And then carry on training at once a week frequency on the legs. In 6 months' time, you're going to have trained your legs 64 times. And they would have trained their legs 24 times. And I think that every opportunity that you train your legs, there's a chance for them to grow. At the end of that 6 months with your friends that are beginners as well that just start training, say to them, let's have a look at your legs. And then you compare your 64 leg sessions that you've gone through and you've progressed your lifts. Your legs will be incredible.
I hate the word luck, especially in focused, driven individuals. One thing that you have to understand is that there is no such thing as luck. It does not fucking exist. If you are someone that thinks that someone else is lucky, I can already tell you that the way you think holds you back, because there is only scenarios created through an individual's behavior. And if you want to be in a potentially better situation, you need to understand what certain people do to get to the situations they are in.
I feel nothing in those sets, nothing. So unrack the weight, there is literally no weight in my hand. Can't even feel it. Not even exaggerating, cannot feel a weight. Absolutely nothing. And in that moment, I can only do that on movements I know that are 100% safe for me, because then I can just, I'm not even there, I'm not even in my body. I just attack with everything I've got until the weight stops moving. So right now, in this moment here, I make the decision to just not miss. That's a decision that you can make for this set. It's got nothing to do with bodybuilding, nothing. It's got everything to do with a personal thing that you decide whether you're going to take right now in this moment or not. Many people won't understand that, fuck them. People don't have to understand. But if this is your passion, you'll understand what I mean. Because this moment here, you're not about to do this forever. So fucking enjoy it whilst you can. Because you think that you'll train hard, and all of a sudden you'll come and train with someone that actually trains hard and got